If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Palo Alto networks, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Step 1. Login. Access your Palo Alto Networks account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage transfers. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer section. Once logged in, locate the section dedicated to transfers or transactions. This is typically found in the main dashboard or under Account Settings. Step 3. Identify the pending transfer. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use sharp to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Select the transfer. Click on the pending transfer you want to cancel. This action will usually bring out more detailed information about the transfer and options related to it. Step 5. Cancel the transfer. Find and select the option to cancel the transfer. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the cancellation is processed. You should receive a notification confirming the cancellation. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel a pending transfer on Palo Alto networks. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.